Making Tax Digital for Income Tax is the new way to report income from self-employment and property. It's a legal requirement for anyone with income above £50,000 from these sources, and from April 2027 for anyone with income above £30,000. Sign up now to start using the Making Tax Digital service. This will allow you to become familiar with using the new processes and ways of working. To do this, you need to use the online sign-up service. Before you start, make sure you check you'll need to use this service to report your self-employment and property income, and choose commercial software compatible with Making Tax Digital. Go to gov.uk and search Sign up for Making Tax Digital for Income Tax. Choose this link and read the guidance on screen. Select Sign Up Now and sign in with your Government Gateway user ID and password. We'll then ask if you're using software that's compatible with Making Tax Digital. If you're not, you can continue to sign up, but you must find software. There's a link to help you with this. Next, tell us which year you want to start using Making Tax Digital for Income Tax. Then we need to know your sources of self-employment and property income. Some information may already be showing. If the status shows incomplete, select Check Details. You'll see what details are missing. So, in our example, the start date. Select Change. If the business started before the date shown, select Yes. Otherwise, choose No. If you choose No, you need to enter the start date here. Then, check your answers for this source of income. Confirm and Continue takes you back to your income sources. If you have income from property, select Add UK Property. Again, if this source started before the date shown, select Yes. Otherwise, select No. If you choose Yes, you're asked to confirm it started more than 2 tax years ago. Then, on the next page, once all your sources of income have been added and the status shows as completed for each of them, save and continue. Check your details are all correct before signing up for Making Tax Digital. Once you're happy everything is correct and complete, confirm and send at the bottom of the page. You'll get confirmation you've successfully signed up for Making Tax Digital for Income Tax. Please note that due to continuous improvement, some screens may appear different. There's detailed guidance on gov.uk. Just search Making Tax Digital for Income Tax for individuals, step by step. You can find more information on gov.uk and in our other videos on YouTube.